designing, engineering, and programming to deliver the best unboxing experience for your customers.
To achieve this goal, we daily pursue our 5 Gs. As a leading global manufacturer of machines for processing corrugating board, we always strive for perfection. Therefore, precision is the foundation, premium quality is our standard, and efficiency is the goal. That is what we guarantee. 3 generations, one name, Göpfert. Made in Wiesenthal, Germany for over 75 years. We think across generations. Reliable and available. This is our fundamental service promise and our guideline. To us, acting with growth means addressing your needs individually and sustainably. This is responsible growth. Looking beyond borders and continually evolving, that's how we operate. Globally.